Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we are going to learn how to find broken links on a website using a Chrome extension. As a QA tester, checking links is an important part of web testing because broken links can lead users to a 404 page missing content or an incorrect destination. Instead of checking every link manually, we can use a browser extension to quickly scan a web page and identify which links are working and which ones are broken. So in this video, I will show you how to install the extension, how to scan a website. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser and search Selector Hub, and then click on first link, Selector Hub, free productivity booster tools for testers. Click on this link. After clicking on this link, you can view multiple extensions in this page. Now click on check my links, find broken links in one click. Click on this link. After clicking on this link, you can view a free browser plugin that helps developers, content editors, and SEO professionals quickly scan any web page for broken links. So it will scan and it will show you total links of the website, and you can view valid links, valid redirect links, warnings, and invalid links. So you can easily view. Now add this extension. For adding this extension into a Chrome browser, you need to click on add to Chrome. After clicking on add to Chrome, it will ask for you add to Chrome. So you just need to click on add to Chrome. And how it works: open the web page you want to validate, click the check my links icon in your toolbar. Now add this extension. First click on this one, add to Chrome, and then click on add extension. Now this extension, add it into a Chrome browser, and we will check the broken links in a website. It open. After adding this extension, you can view. Now open this extension, and here you can view check my links extension added successfully. Now just click on this one, check my links, and it will check all the links in this website. You can view here count total 348 links and valid links T3, valid redirect links 3, and here you can view invalid links. It will take some time for checking all the valid and invalid links. As you can view here, now click on this one, checking 157 and here you can view the progress. 65% completed, 109 is invalid links. So here option download for view and change the color. You can change the color and hide color. If you want to hide the color, you can hide. You can change the color. You can pick the color from this color picker. Now 100% completed. Here multiple options available. You can export all, view all, refresh. For now we will click on view all, and it will redirect to another page. You can view all the links in this website. As you can view here, recheck status code, and here we are getting 429 status code. If we want to view all the links, so you need to click on this pagination and the second, third, fourth, and fifth page. If you click on this one, so you can view the last page. Now here in the search bar, we can search the status code. Suppose 404 not found the status code. So here we can search 404 no matching And if we search here only for, so we can view here status code. If we click on this view, and it already shows that you need to recheck HTTP status code if any link is broken. So you can view here 404, and here you can export into CSV, copy, Excel, and you can also print this page. So this is useful extension for finding the broken links in a website. By using, you can check the all links, valid and invalid links of your website in one click. Instead of manually checking all the links on our website, you just need to open this extension, and then you need to run this extension, and you will get all the valid links and invalid links of website. So that's how you can use a broken link checker, the extension, to quickly identify broken links on a website. This can save a lot of manual testing time and is especially useful during website testing, regression testing, and QA validation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to SQ World, and turn on the notification bell for more software testing, automation testing, and QA tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.